Overview. Green Airlines, also called Eco-Friendly Airline and Almost Fair Airlines. The Almost Fair Airlines Index is a measuring system to compare and rank the carbon efficiencies of the 200 large airlines in the world. The index is compiled using data from the Civil Aviation Organizations and the International Air Transport Associations. Green Airlines Index is more and more encouraged by the public too nowadays. This is because the Green Airlines Index can help to control the airlines of pollution release, such as the air pollution and noise pollution. Best to the Green Airlines Index is pay attention from the public. Thus, we want to find a way to make public know about the knowledge of Green Airlines Index or improve these aspects of information. The methods we use are create a game platforms to let more people knowing it through the playing game. Currently, the game will implement first in the UUM of Transportation Management students. This is because there are the categories more near to this type of information. The ACAS will produce the pollutants or concerns around airports such as nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide. These gases will make the climate change and air pollution. As other sectors reduce emissions, aviation is therefore likely to become responsible for a far large proportion of global climate change emissions. Thus, we should present some action to solve the critical issue. Objective of the project. The objective of the game planning is to let the players know about the existing Green Airlines Index. Students can learn about the Green Airlines Index through a simple and interesting method. It is through our game. Therefore, in order to contribute to the rescue of air pollution and climate warming, thus we want to do our best to promote the Green Airlines Index information, then let the players to know the existence of index and its objectives through the education game.
The registration of the game will be open 3 weeks before the program onset, for enough time for us to arrange the participant. Because some of them may not enough member, the WebEx will be used for having the meeting and the WhatsApp group. Those links will be sent when the participants have registered to the email. Our team need to prepare the study note for the participant because our question will always come from the study note. In the beginning, we will have the greeting and telling them the reason why we will be having this program. After that, we will introduce the rule of this education game. The game are having 3 stages, and each stage have 5 questions prepared to the player. In the first stage, the participants are required to finish the true and false question that have been showing in the WebEx, and it will have total 5 questions of it. 2 minutes will be given to the participant for answering the question, and their answer need to send to the WhatsApp group that we prepare. The 6 group that are able to answer correctly and faster will be allowed to continue to the next stage, while other team cannot continue to the second stage. The question is in this stage are very easy and it is very basic for Green Airline Index. In this stage, the candidate will answer 5 multiple choice questions in 5 minutes, and the question will about the benefit and challenge faced by the Green Airline. The player just need to choose one answer only from each multiple choice question. The answer needed sent to the WhatsApp group for checking. The 3 teams that are able to answer the question faster and correct will be allowed to continue to the last stage, while others will stop for joining the next stage. In this stage, the question will be in structured question, and it will cover everything inside the study note. So it need the player for having good understanding about it. We will having the answer for the question, but the answer of the player is acceptable, also will be the right answer. It will be giving 10 minutes for answering the question, and the structured question, because it need more time to answer it, the grade of the team will be based on their score of the answer. Lastly, we will having the closing remark for today's program and the brief summary for the program having today. The first place, second place, and third place will according to the score of their team in last stage and be rewarded. The participant also required to fill in the survey form that be provided for us for the program, because by having the feedback of the player is able for us to input ourselves in organize another program. Having this education game let the participant understand the Green Airline Index and have a basic understanding of it. This program can also increase the awareness of the player that UUM student about the Green Airline Index. The knowledge from this program can also be applied in their intern or working with the airline company and become an extra mark in their job. The player also can build up the team spirit because have to cooperate with the teammate for getting the right answer. That's all from us. Thank you.